Welcome to the Cycling Bug's how-to video guides. We're here at Old Street Cafe, Look Mum No Hands, the capital's cycling mecca for the local community. We're here to bring you a series of easy-to-follow video guides from bike maintenance to basic bike manoeuvres. We're also going to be bringing you some tips on what to do before, during and after your ride. Today we're looking at how to use hand signals while cycling. Hand signals are predominantly used because if we try to vocalise our signals, they're not heard whilst riding in a group. We're going to look at the basics to start with, which is the simple turning to the left. We start by looking over our shoulder and a nice clear arm out to the side. Again, exactly the same applies, but to the right, over the shoulder, an arm goes out. If we're riding along and we see in front of us a pothole or a manhole cover, we directly point to the side at the floor. If it was on the other side, again, just simply point to the floor. These signals are passed down through the riders, so the guy at the very back will actually see the signal as well and be able to avoid the hole. If we see gravel in front of us, or leaves, or anything loose on the ground, this is signalled by hand to the side and a waving motion. And again, exactly the same if it was on the different side. If we see a car parked on our side of the road or some other obstruction that we will need to ride around, and we have guys behind us, we signal by literally placing our arm behind our back and clearly pointing away. This means everyone can then just move around the car and fill back in behind. If we're approaching a junction or we see some reason that we need to be slowing down or stopping, our hands placed behind us and in a pressing motion signalling slowing down. There are some things that we will actually shout whilst we're out riding in a group, and that is if we're at a junction and the road is clear, all the riders as they go through will just literally shout clear. Another thing that is shouted if a car is approaching either front or behind, it's called car front or car back. Hope this helps. For more tips, videos and to share your experiences on the most supportive and friendly cycling community on the web, please visit The Cycling Bug.